Hi, this is Peter Schulz, developer of WordPress plugin WP Data Access. In this tutorial I will show you how to attach the WordPress media library to a table column. For this demonstration I've already created a bike table. And I've also added some data to the bike table. And I added a column here, a bike photo, which is empty right now. So let's click on it. And what I would like to do is I would like to add a bike photo to this bike. Now I could go on and open the media library screen and add a bike photo, then find out what the ID is and store the ID in this column. But there's a simpler way to do this. So let's go to the Manage plugin and then Manage Media. Now this column that I've just shown you belongs to the table WPDA, here it is, the bike table, and the column name is bike photo. I want it to be of type image and I want to activate it. So if I save it right now, the plugin knows that this column bike photo of table WPDA boss bike is an image, is of type image. Now let's go back to the Data Explorer, find my bike table again, go to the bike table and edit it. And now I have the option here to upload or select images from the WordPress media library. So let's do that. I'm going to select the bike photo, which is right here, and I want to add this photo. Select it and save it. Now if I go back to the list, the bike photo is shown in the list. Now I would like to do the same for bike attachments. Because I have a field bike attachments, and as you can see it's an attachments field, so it's I should be able to store multiple attachments in that column. So let's do that. It works the same way. Go to Manage Plugin, Manage Media, add the column, the same table again, here, different column and a different media type. So I select the media type attachment right now. So now I have two columns defined, attachment column and then a media column, an image column. So let's go back to the bike table. And now I can also upload some media, but I want to add some new media. So I already have uploaded the small version. So now I will upload the large version. And as you can see, the first one, the bike photo, is an image, but the bike attachment is really an attachment. So let's store this one and then show the list table. And as you can see now here, the attachment is shown as a link. I can click on that link and go to the attachment. But I want to be able to add multiple attachments. So I want to upload some more files. And I have an attachment over here, which is a PDF. And let's save it. So I could now have something like a manual which is attached to that bike as well. Now the column photo, bike photo, allows us to add only one photo, but the attachment column allows us to add multiple attachments. Now how do we make the difference? This is important to know. Let's look at the structure of the table. The bike photo is a numeric field. So you can store only one ID in this numeric field. So you can store only one media ID, one photo ID in that field. The bike attachment, however, is a varchar field. And that varchar field allows you to store multiple attachments in that one column. You can store multiple photos as well as attachments. So it doesn't matter if you have an image or an attachment column. For both, it works the same way. If you have a column of type number, then you can store only one photo or attachment. Is it a varchar, you can store multiple photos or attachments. Make sure the varchar column is large enough to store the number of attachments or photos you want to store. So finally, this works in the publisher, the data publisher as well. I have a small example here where you can see that this one you can publish this one on your website as well. Let me show you. Oh, that's the wrong one. This is the responsive. So you could offer this kind of table on your website as well, where you can add attachments and photos and additional information. So that was it. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of this feature. Thank you for watching.